I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green salad without lettuce. First, consider your base. Instead of leafy greens, think about using a mix of crunchy vegetables like cucumbers, bell peppers, and shredded carrots. These provide a satisfying texture and vibrant color. Next, add some bulk with cooked grains such as quinoa or farro, or even some chickpeas for extra protein. Finally, select a delicious dressing to tie all the flavors together beautifully. Expand your vegetable palette beyond the usual. Try incorporating finely chopped broccoli florets, shredded cabbage, or even roasted root vegetables like sweet potatoes or beets for a different flavor profile. Don't forget about texture. Toasted nuts, crunchy seeds, or homemade croutons can elevate your salad from good to great. Aim for a variety of shapes and sizes for visual appeal and an interesting mouthfeel in every bite. To make your lettuce-free salad a complete meal, protein is key. Think about adding grilled chicken, pan-seared tofu, or even some hard-boiled eggs. For dressings, the possibilities are endless. A creamy tahini dressing offers richness, while a lemon herb vinaigrette provides a bright, fresh kick. Don't forget to finish with fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or dill to really make those flavors pop. Get creative with your additions. Diced apples, grapes, or even dried cranberries can add a wonderful sweetness and chewiness. Crumbled feta or goat cheese introduces a tangy, savory element that complements many vegetable combinations. These small touches truly make your salad unique and delicious. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.